Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Parivar. So guys, today we are going to learn how to remove access to use all Windows Update features. Okay, so if you want to remove Windows all features related to the Windows Update, I will show you how you can do that. Okay, so let me minimize this window and let me go here. You need to go to the run and type here gpedit gpedit.msc, hit enter. Once you will enter, this window will be opened. You can see here there are two types: computer configuration and user configuration. You need to go to this administrative template, expand this. You need to then go to the Windows component and select this one, standard, select any and scroll down. Just double click to the Windows Update, and here you will find some few options like do not display, install, update and shutdown option in shutdown. Okay, let me expand this. Okay, so see, do not display, install, updates and shutdown option in shutdown Windows dialog box. Do not adjust default option to install, update and shutdown in shutdown Windows dialog box. Remove access to use all Windows Update features. Okay, so if you want to remove access for all Windows, or you can say related to all Windows Update features, you can just enable this. If you want to just if you want to do not display, install, updates and shutdown, like here, sometimes if updates will be available, you can see on the power button or here on the shutdown button, there will be an pop-up like update available or for the installation or yellow mark, you can see, right? So if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to display here, you can go with this option. You can enable this policy. In same way, for this one, do not adjust default option to install, update and shutdown. Okay, like if you double click on this and enable, it will, you can like you can see here, if you enable this policy, the user's last shutdown, choice, hibernate, restart, etc. is the default option in shutdown Windows dialog box, regardless of other regardless of whether the install, updates and shutdown option is available. Okay, so yes, so if you do not adjust this also, like for the install, update and shutdown, okay, you can enable this also. Or if you want to remove access to use all Windows Update features, you can just enable this option. You can just enable, but yes, if you enable this, there will be two options, like do not show any notification, like once update will be available, user will get the notification, and if you don't want to show that notification, you can enable with 0 option, do not. Otherwise, the second option is one, show restart required notification. Okay, so if you don't want to restart required also, you can select this one. Or if you want to just disable this, like user will not see any notification, just apply by selecting disable and okay. So in this way, if you enable this policy, users will not get any notification. Okay, and the access related to the Windows Update features will be removed. Okay, so guys, in this way you can remove. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like and don't forget to subscribe this channel so that whenever I will upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.